Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry veg. We'll cover everything from selecting your fresh produce to achieving that perfect crisp tender texture. This guide is designed to be super easy, ensuring you can whip up a fantastic meal in no time. Get ready to transform simple vegetables into a culinary delight that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty. Let's get cooking. First, gather your favorite vegetables. Think colorful options like crisp broccoli florets, thinly sliced carrots, and vibrant bell peppers. Remember to cut them into similar, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. While you're prepping, whisk together a quick sauce using soy sauce, a touch of sesame oil, fresh ginger, and minced garlic. This sauce is the heart of your stir-fry's flavor. Now for the cooking. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil. Start with your harder vegetables, such as carrots and broccoli, stir-frying them for 2 to 3 minutes until they're tender crisp. Then, add your softer vegetables, like bell peppers and snap peas, along with your prepared sauce. Stir-fry for just another minute to combine everything beautifully. Your delicious vegetable stir-fry is ready. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles for a complete meal. For an extra touch, sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds or fresh cilantro. It's a quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying dish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade stir-fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.